If you wasn't hyped before, you're hyped now. SmackDown just turned into the Firefly Funhouse. We called it on the channel a couple of days ago. John Cena was in the ring, delivering his promo, talking about the Funhouse match. Basically wrong by saying that the Fiend's going to get his ass kicked. And then out of nowhere, Ramblin' Rabbit was the very first puppet to pop up the other side of the barricade. I thought that was really cool. And then, of course, Huskus was behind the announce table. John Cena taking good note of these puppets around ringside. And then behind him was Mercy the Buzzard. I loved that. There was no Bucks. I'm sure the Bucks was around for him to go back to, but he left it for the time being. And then Abby the Witch, the person who gave it all away with that little post on Instagram. We called it in that video on Tuesday or Wednesday. Really fun. Then we had The Fiend appear on that platform we've seen so many times now in the Performance Center, but it wasn't over there. The camera cut and Funhouse Bray was behind John Cena. The power of pre-recording right there. That was a brilliant jump scare. Cena reacted perfectly and there was no physical altercation. Do you know what? It didn't need it. I loved that. Funhouse Bray getting into the mind of John Cena, the Fiend being present at the same time. The presentation on television looked amazing. Whether this is how the Funhouse match happens, does SmackDown, because it's just become the Funhouse, does SmackDown now air the Funhouse match at WrestleMania? I don't know, it's very weird. I'm excited. For the very first time, we saw the puppets in an arena. You wouldn't be able to do that with fans present. And okay, there's a lot of stuff wrong in the world right now. But WWE just delivered us something amazing in place of everything else that's gone wrong. So hats off to them. It was perfect. It was done perfect. The little jump scare at the end. Exactly what it needed to be. I am so hyped. This is the match I'm looking forward to most. I'm so happy it's in the main event segment of SmackDown each week. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace!